Okay class, so previous video you learn about center tap transformer where you need only how many diode? 2 diode for you to change sine wave into all become one polarity, right? So let's move to the another type of full wave rectifier. We call this one bridge. When you say bridge here, so it means we need 4 diode. D1, D2, D3 and D4, and it is connected to the transformer. Okay, so now let's derive what will be your V out for both cycle. So first start at the positive cycle. So when saying positive cycle, here must be plus and minus. Okay, so first we need to check which diode is on and which diode is off. On and which diode is off. So when you put here plus, so here means plus, going here and then here will be plus, go down, right? Plus and here will be minus. Here will be plus. So which diode will be on? Diode 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which diode will be on? So when it's entering here plus, so here will be on. And diode 2 will be on. Diode 3 will be off. Diode 4 will be off. Okay. So means here diode 1 and diode 2 on. Diode 3 and diode 4 will be off. So next step, we are going to have the KVL loop at the diode where the diode is on. So you're going to start from your VS, going to your D1, towards across your resistor, to your D2 until the end. So let's start to have the KVL equation. So KVL equation starting from here is minus VS. So this is your VS peak. Plus, so let's say this question is PLM1, you're going to replace your diode with V gamma. So D1 replace with V gamma. Plus, voltage drop across R is your V out. Plus, again you have another V gamma equal to 0. So what will be your V out is actually your VS minus 2V gamma. Okay, so this is happening at the positive cycle. So now let's look at your negative cycle. So when saying negative cycle, here must be minus, here must be plus. So this is your transformer. So when you have minus here, so here become minus, minus, and here will be plus, plus. So which diode will be on? Diode 3 will be on, diode 4 will be on. Diode 1 and diode 2 will be off. So, which diode will be on? Diode 3 and 4 will be on. Diode 1 and 2 is off. So, let's have the KVL equation. So, which loop that it will go? So, it will go to here, plus, go to D4, towards your R resistor, D3 and then to the end. So what will be the KVL equation? Okay, starting from, let's say we start with this D4. So your D4 is V gamma, go to the voltage drop plus V out and another V gamma at your D3 and then towards your VS equal to 0. Then you can get your V out equal VS minus 2V gamma. Okay, so both of the equation are the same at the positive and at the negative cycle. So how are you going to plot the graph? So let's say this is your input. So your output will be, this one is happen when your VS is less than V gamma, right? So it's not enough to turn on. Means let's say your V gamma is equal 0.7, you only apply here 0.5, so it's still off here. So once it reach more than 0.7, it start to having some wave here. So what will be the output here is VS minus 2V gamma. So this is at positive cycle. At your negative cycle, again you have a waveform. So what is the output? VS minus V gamma. So then it will be repeated by itself. Okay, so this is your V, this is your T. So this is the output of your full wave bridge rectifier.